Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn how to use the Binance exchange. I will explain everything step by step from account creation to futures trading, so please follow along slowly. First, if you sign up through the link below this video, you can receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance, along with various bonus rewards. So I recommend signing up through the link below. First, let's learn how to sign up for Binance. Please click the link below the video. Then you will be directed to the Binance sign-up page. As you can see here, the lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various bonus benefits will be applied. Let's create an account first. To create an account, enter your email address or mobile number. Once you finish entering the information, check the agreement box and click the Continue button below. Please select the images that correspond to the word shown in the top left. Next, complete the email or mobile verification. Now enter your password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Once you complete these steps, your account will be created. If you did not enter the inviter code, please enter BB333 in the code field. Then the 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus rewards will be applied. Now your Binance account has been successfully created. Next, let's learn how to complete KYC verification. To use various features on Binance such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading, you must complete KYC verification. Since the KYC process includes facial verification, we will continue the verification on a mobile device. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. After launching the app, press the Login button. Log in using the account you just created. Once you log in, you will automatically be taken to the KYC verification page. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with the ID verification step. From the various types of identification shown on the screen, please select one that you have. In this video, we will select a passport. Prepare your ID and press the Take Pictures button. Then press the Continue button below. Position the passport information page within the camera frame. Now align the passport information page with the camera screen, and scan it clearly without shadows or reflections. After the ID capture is completed, facial verification will begin. Position your face within the camera frame, and follow the instructions to nod your head or blink. Once these steps are completed, your KYC application will be submitted. The KYC review usually takes about 1 hour. And once approved, your KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, let's look at how to set up account security. Please return to the Binance PC screen. Click Account on the left menu, and select Security to access the security settings. In this video, we will set up the Authenticator app for stronger security. Click Manage on the right side of the Authenticator app section. Then press Enable Authenticator app to start the setup. Complete the email or mobile verification. Then the Authenticator setup screen will appear. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app and press the plus button at the bottom right. Then select the Scan a QR code option. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. Then in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated. Check the generated 6-digit code and return to the PC screen. And click the Next button. Then in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code displayed in Google Authenticator. Once this is done, your account security setup will be successfully completed. Second, let's learn how to deposit funds into Binance. There are several ways to deposit funds into Binance. In this video, we will use the peer-to-peer trading method, which allows you to deposit without fees. First, click the wallet icon located at the top right of the screen. Then you will see a list of different wallets. Spot is the wallet used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. And Futures is the wallet used for futures trading. First, select Spot to proceed with the deposit. Next, click the Deposit button and select the peer-to-peer option. When the notice message appears, check the agreement box and click the Start Trading button. First, to purchase coins, select by mode. Then select the coin you want to purchase. Generally, people trade with USDT because it has relatively low volatility and high trading volume. Next, enter the amount you want to purchase in this section. Then choose the currency you will use for payment. Click the button next to it and select your payment method. Once selected, various advertiser lists will appear below. For safer transactions, it is recommended to choose advertisers with many trades and a high success rate. After selecting the advertiser you want, click the Buy USDT button. Before proceeding with the transaction, you must check the advertiser's terms. Then enter the purchase amount again. Select the payment method and click Buy USDT. Then the seller's account information will appear. Before making the transfer, be sure to check the chat on the right side of the screen. Now transfer the payment to the seller using the provided account details. After completing the transfer, return to the Binance screen. Click Transferred, notify seller below. Then click the Upload button, and upload at least one proof of payment. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. Then the seller will verify the payment. Go back again and click the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. Click Spot. Once the seller confirms the payment, the coins will be successfully deposited into your spot wallet shortly. Third, let's learn how to trade futures on Binance. To start futures trading, the coins in your spot wallet must be transferred to the futures wallet. First click Spot, then click Transfer to move the coins. When the transfer screen appears, set the direction from spot to USD and futures. Then select the coin you want to transfer and enter the amount to transfer. Once everything is set, click Confirm. After a moment, the coins will be transferred to the futures wallet. Now let's begin futures trading. Click the Trade button in the top menu, and then click USDM Futures. You will then be taken to the futures trading screen. First, click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. On the right side of the screen, you will see the main settings for futures trading. Click this button to set the margin mode. Cross uses your entire available margin to open and maintain a position, while isolated uses only the specific margin allocated to that position. For beginners, the isolated mode is recommended because it is easier to manage risk. Click the button next to it to set the leverage. On Binance, leverage can be set up to 150x. But higher leverage increases both profit potential and risk of loss. So beginners are recommended to use a lower leverage of around 3x to 5x. Next, you can set the order type. Limit orders allow you to set a specific price, while market orders execute immediately at the current market price. Below, you will see the margin currently available. In the next section, you can set the order price and trading amount. Once everything is set, you can choose the position direction here. If you expect the coin price to rise, choose Buy Long. And if you expect the price to fall, choose Sell Short. Please select one of the two. After selecting the position direction, click the Positions tab below. Then you can check the status of your current position. Entry price means the price at which you entered the position, and mark price indicates the current market price. Leak price means the liquidation price. And if the price reaches that level, the position will be automatically liquidated. P&L shows your current profit or loss. If you click the pencil icon under TPSL for position, you can set the take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, by clicking the button under Market Close All, you can close the position. Market closes the position immediately at the current market price, and limit closes the position when the specified price is reached. Once you select your preferred method, the position will be closed and the trade will be successfully completed. In this video, we covered everything from creating a Binance account to futures trading step by step. If you have any difficulties or questions while following the video, please leave a comment anytime. I will respond as quickly as possible. If today's video was helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe and like. I will come back with a better video next time.